Okay, so yesterday you watched the video over the dichotomous key, and today I'm going to kind of go through an example with you. Of course, a dichotomous key is a tool used to identify organisms. It usually has like a list of questions. You answer one way, you go to one place, you answer another way, you go somewhere else. And sometimes there's more than two questions, just depend for each number, just depends on what it is we're trying to classify. The dichotomous, I already read that one. And it just kind of narrows it down so that you can figure out which specific organism you're looking at. Okay, so going how to use a dichotomous key. And of course, you guys did a short one on that Amoeba Sisters video recap that you did yesterday. Okay, so we're looking for this first little alien guy or creature or whatever you want to call him. So we're going to look for him and we're going to try to figure out what he is. So we're going to go to the first question. The first question says, the creature has two eyes or the creature has one eye. Okay, he has one eye, so 1B is our true statement. So that means that whatever it tells us to do after that, we would go to that number. And it doesn't tell us on this example. Okay, so it says 1B has one eye, so we're going to go to step 5. All right, once we're at step 5, we're going to read those choices. The creature has one or more antenna, or the creature has no antenna. Okay, so this one, 5A, is true because he has two antennas. So we're going to go to step 6. Okay, so this question. The creature has one antenna. The creature has two antenna. He has two, so B is the true one, which means its name is C. So this we've just identified this little creature as C. We can keep going through every single one of the little critters that we had or the creatures. If we had the complete key, this was just a shortened version of one to try to show you how to use it. So, hope this video helps you. And if you still have questions, give me an email or a remind message. Okay, see you later.